Hi, baby boy. How are you? Did you really stop because you saw me taking a picture? Yeah. Yeah, you got some berries for us? Hello. Hi, baby boy. How are you? Thank you for the kisses. You got kisses? Hi, baby. How are you? Such a good boy. Look at you. You sure are a cutie. Hi. You take my glasses? That's not nice. Should I take them off? Okay. There. Is that better? Huh? Is it better if I take off my glasses? You want a fist bump? I don't think I can do it. You want to do a fist bump? Or are you trying to step up? Yeah. Hi. Who's a cutie? Oh, bless you. Are you going to step on my chest? Hi, can I have a kiss? Thank you for the kisses. Another fist bump? Oh. Where are you going? You want back up or what? Step up. Are you a good boy? I love you. Hey, don't bite me if you love me. Don't bite me. You act so cute and then you get so mean. Why do you do that? Why do you act cute and then you get mean? Hey Merlin, want a fist bump? Ready? Boop! Got a fist bump! With my head. I did his bump with my head.
I don't think he
Yeah.
understands it.
Did you not like that?
You don't have enough hands to do that.
I don't have hands to do that, baby. You're asking for a fist bump, but I can't give you one.
He's like, well, let me come to your hand and get one.
Where are you going? Oh! The heck?
Just like auto started them.
Hi, baby boy. What are you doing? Wow! It's been a while since you bit my ear. What the heck? Hey! Merlin, stop it. Why were you being so mean? You want a fist bump? Okay, ready? Let's do a fist bump.